What's up guys? Today I've got my hands on the new Blink Video Doorbell 2025 second generation. This is Amazon's latest affordable smart home upgrade. It promises a 2-year battery life, 1440p resolution video, two-way talk and Alexa integration, all packed into a super compact design. So is it really the best budget smart doorbell you can buy right now? Well, let's find out, shall we? Roll the intro. So let's start off with what you get inside the box. Now we've got a user manual, door removal key, which helps you detach the device in case you want to change the batteries or reposition it. We've got two different mounting plates. So you've got some screws, some wall anchors in a bag. If you want to hardwire this thing, there's some wires included. You get 3 AA lithium energizer batteries included in the box, a small power adapter, USB-A to USB-C cable. You also get the sync module core included in this bundle, and that gives you faster notifications, quicker video access and cloud-based storage through your Blink account. It's the hub that keeps everything connected and running reliably across all your Blink devices. But if you have the previous generation sync modules like the sync module 2, which I have in my home, you can actually use that. So then you don't need to use the sync module core. And also, if you have the sync module 2, it's actually better because the previous generation actually has a USB port on it, which is used to save recordings to your local storage or a USB flash drive, whereas the new sync module core doesn't have a USB port for local saving. I'll quickly bring in the first generation so you can see the difference. So that's the first generation on the left. Here is the new one on the right. So we used to have a round button, now we've got an oval button. The LED light seems a lot thinner. So having used the first generation for quite a long time, so I'm going to be quite familiar with this product. Now let's talk about the price. Right now it's on a special offer for just $35.99 on Amazon UK. That's 40% off its original $59.99 retail price. For a doorbell that offers cloud recording, two-way talk and smart alerts, that's a great deal. Even at full price, it still undercuts most of the competition, especially when you factor in the included sync module core. Now let's talk design. The design is super simple. A combination of matte black and a shiny finish. Clean circular button ring that lights up when pressed, and a small camera lens right up top. It's lightweight, feels sturdy enough for outdoor use, and it's IP54 weather resistant, so it will handle rain and cold without any issues. You can mount it wirelessly using the included batteries or wire it directly into your existing doorbell chime. Setup is beginner friendly too. The Blink app walks you through everything step by step with illustrations, and pairing with the sync module core takes less than 2 minutes and it automatically connects to your Wi-Fi without any hiccups. Now setting up couldn't be easier. You download the Blink Home Monitor app, you scan the QR code which is on the back of the doorbell, and it connects instantly through the sync module core. I'm not actually going to use this sync module core because it doesn't support local storage, so I'm going to put this to the side. So I am currently using the sync module 2, so we're going to set this up to work with that. Insert the batteries, and this needs 3 batteries by the looks of it. Here we go. You can see a red light is flashing. So you go to your existing Blink app if you've got one already. You can see I've got the sync module 2 already there. I'm going to hit plus and I'm going to connect a device. So video doorbell. So we're going to just scan the QR code on the back of this doorbell. For security reasons, I'm not supposed to show you that. So I've scanned it. I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to disarm the system because it's asking me to. Remove battery cover. Insert the batteries. We've done this step already. Wait until the red light blinks. Yep, we've done that. Discover. So it's currently adding the video doorbell. So you get step-by-step instructions. You really can't go wrong. Just follow the steps as you go along and you'll be set up in no time. So my Alexa has actually found a new video doorbell. It's also updating firmware. Your doorbell has been added. Continue. So we're just going to call this front door. What you need to know to mount your doorbell. So mounting it is fairly straightforward. It tells you exactly what you need and how to do it. But you just need this mounting bracket. You've got the template there as well, in case you need to drill holes. So very straightforward. And then you just attach the doorbell to the back, like so. I accidentally pressed the button, but there you go. I got a notification straight away If you want to remove the doorbell from the mounting bracket, you just use the tool, you push those two buttons, and then that will release the doorbell. So it's easy as that. Now, when you first set this up, you'll get 30-day free trial. So the Blink Plus Plan free trial has been activated. You get 30 days. So with the trial, you're getting unlimited cloud storage, and it can automatically group the clips, save and share your videos, and you can see what's happening between events. Now in the UK, the Blink Video Doorbell offers two plans. The basic plan at £2.50 per month or £24.99 a year, or the Plus plan at £8 per month or £80 per year. A 30-day free trial of the Plus plan is included. Subscriptions add cloud recording, video history and clip sharing, while without the subscription you can still get motion alerts and live view. With a sync module 2 and a USB drive, you can also store videos locally without a plan. I can already see that's quite a wide view. I'm going to bring my other one. So here's a live view of this doorbell here. You can see the view is not as wide. And if we open up the new doorbell, that's a very wide view. Now I'm going to set this up outside and then we'll check out the footage. So I just screwed the back plate directly onto my wooden door frame. Super easy to install, no wall plugs needed. And then the doorbell simply clips on into place and you're ready to go. Now video quality is honestly really solid for the price. You get 1440p resolution video, and during the day it's crisp, bright and sharp enough to easily recognize faces and packages. At night the infrared night vision kicks in and visibility remains decent. You can still clearly make out people and motion even in low light. You're getting a very wide field of view, capturing much more of your surrounding than the previous gen Blink doorbell. So for general home monitoring, it does the job perfectly fine. There's no HDR support, but colors and contrasts are balanced well enough that it never looks washed out. The two-way audio is surprisingly clear. I could easily hear people at my door and my voice came through loud and clear on their end. And here is a quick audio sample. Alright, so we're doing a quick audio test for the new Blink video. So this is a quick audio test for the new Blink video doorbell. Sound test 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're testing the speaker quality of the new Blink doorbell, and this is what it would sound like on the other side during a two-way conversation. Now I did find there is a slight delay, but it's very minimal and perfectly usable for short conversations. Alexa integration works great too. You can ask Alexa to show your doorbell feed on an Echo Show or get voice alerts when someone rings the doorbell. It really ties nicely into an existing Alexa setup like I have in my home. If you already use Amazon smart devices, motion detection works well. You can have the doorbell chime ring on your Alexa speaker, and you can adjust the motion zones in the Blink app. So if your door faces a busy street, you can filter out passing cars or pedestrians. And also you now have a choice to detect humans, cars and other detections. So if you didn't want to be alerted every time a car goes past, you can switch that off and it will ignore that, which is really handy. And the notifications do come through pretty quick, almost instantly. So not much delay either. You can even adjust the motion sensitivity, which is important because some users found it a little oversensitive when you first start using it. So the Blink app itself is clean and easy to use. Everything is organized very well, from motion alerts to device settings. Live view loads pretty quick and the playback always feels pretty smooth. Now I didn't experience any major lag or connection drops during my complete testing of this product. Now in day-to-day use, I found the Blink doorbell to be reliable and consistent. Motion alerts came through almost instantly and the video feed loaded in just a couple of seconds. There can be a slight delay depending on your Wi-Fi, but nothing that gets in the way of actually seeing who's at your door in time. The battery performance is excellent. I've been using it for a while now and the battery indicator has barely moved. With normal motion detections and quality set to its highest and a few live views per day, it genuinely seems capable of lasting quite a long time. I can't say that it will last 2 years, only time will tell, but I will certainly update you guys in a pinned comment of this video so you can keep track of how long my battery actually lasts. Now it's also quiet and discreet. The doorbell chime through Alexa or your phone is clear, but the physical doorbell doesn't make a loud mechanical sound, which I personally prefer. So there you have it guys, my final verdict after using the Blink video doorbell. I'm genuinely impressed. For the price, you're getting a clean design, sharp 1440p video with a pretty wide view. clear two-way talk, and smooth Alexa integration, all with a battery life that could last up to 2 years. Now, it's missing a few premium features like local USB storage, package detection, and full color night vision. But honestly, for everyday home use, it nails all the essentials. Setup is quick, the app is easy to navigate, and performance is reliable. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and trustworthy video doorbell that just works, the Blink Video Doorbell with Sync Module Core is absolutely worth it. Now that's all for this video. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews and videos, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.